Assalamualaikum, Ahmed here. Welcome to the 13th video lecture of class 6 English. And today we will be solving this activity because I know that many of you are finding it very difficult, like the Mariam from 6th class. Yes. So, cat and door. Actually, we have to use these words and make sentences of them. First of them could be a statement, and the other one could be a question and a command and an exclamation. So if I'm gonna use the first two words, which are cat and the door, the statement could be like the cat is at the door. Now this one is a statement. statement, yes, statement. So if I'm a bad handwriting, and for the exclamation, oh, the cat is at the door, it's an exclamation. And for the question, is the cat at the door? And for this one, it is a question, question. I think that was all, but let me check. We have done statement, question, command. Okay, for the command, last one, remove the cat from the door. Now all of these pair of words will be solved just like that. So it was a command, yes, command. And solve all the other words on your books. And until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.